All right, as I mentioned in the first video, you need to have your packet. You need to have this packet that has the week 1, and then it's a sprint on the front. Now, we understand that maybe you weren't here on Tuesday, or you're not sure where your packet is right this second. So I wanted to give you an option to make sure you didn't miss out on the work. If you are a turtle, you can click right here. It will bring you to Google Classroom, and it brings you to a Jamboard. If you click on the Jamboard, it brings you to our problem set and sprint. Starts with the sprint. Page 2 is the problem set. Okay, now if you look at our sprint and it's your turn and it's time to do this, all you need to do, remember, is click the pen and then just click. You can either write the answer, 6 times 1, you can write 6, or you can put a little text box. And all you have to do is click on the line and then tell me that this equals 6. And then you can even shrink it down. Okay, so that's how you use the Jamboard if you forgot your packet. Hopefully you have your packet. If you have your packet and you lost your packet and you need a new packet, let us know. We can figure that out. But this is how you can access your math work this whole week. It will be on Google Classroom. If you have your packet, you do not have to do this part. You do this and then take a picture and put it on Seesaw. Okay? Okay.